here's the thing, I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the another vlog. After a long gap, again I'm making this vlog because it is one of the special vlog because I'm going to documenting the 5 days boot camp about the IDE, that is Innovative Design Entrepreneurship, which is organizing by the Jawaharlal Nehru Engineering College, Shivamogga. So everything I'm going to documenting in this video. So let's welcome you all to the Mr. Omnathi YouTube channel. So today I'm going to pack up my uh, luggage because it is a 5 days boot camp. So I need to stay there 5 days, next 5 days, because tomorrow I have a train. So that's why. Uh, Once again, welcome back to you guys. Let's come with me and enjoy this vlog. I will upload day 1, day 2, day 3 like that. So this clip will be coming in the day 1. Okay, bye bye. So all clothes are there, and this is the trolley bag. So some clothes not at iron, so I need to do the iron as well. So this is almost all trolley bag pack up agide guys. So today only I buy this earbud Motorola because I need this. Then before earbud colored guys it's equal, so that's why I just buy that today. And one pair formal shirt. So this is for the hackathon, not for the event. Okay, and everything completed. Yeah, evening I have a train. Okay, say all the best for me to attend this event successfully. Yes. So finally I got ready guys. 7:30 I have a train, so it's right now it's 6 o'clock. I need to leave from here. I'm getting little bit nervous because it's like after long time I'm going to buy this in when I was in the 8th standard. No, 5 days trip anta hogidde from school inda. After that I didn't gone anywhere, even in the vacation also. So my room and my home ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ little bit emotionally uncomfortable ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. But the thing, I need to go guys. I need to go and attend that event. Everything is ready. So this is my 5 days trolley bag and laptop bag. Everything I have like laptop accessories and laptop, everything I have covered. So yeah, this is my bag. Okay, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗೈಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಫುಲ್ ಎಮೋಷ್ನಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 5 days ಅದು 1 week ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್. ನನಗೂ ಒಂಥರ ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. she's not even talking anything. It's like she's not even saying that don't go. She's every time she will support me that whenever I'm going to attend the hackathon and all those things. Those events will be only 2 to 3 days, maximum 2 nights or 2-3 days. So this is a long day, this is a 1 week journey. I can't say anything. So I convinced her, and for my mom purpose I'm making this blog, because at least she will see now whatever I am doing every day. So I told her that each day, day 1, day 2, day 3, everything I will document and I will upload in my YouTube channel, so you can watch there. So night, for us dinner purpose, she is making a curd rice. Finally, we reached the Shivamogga, and also in the particular venue. So they allocated us individually a room. So next 4 days we need to stay here. So let me show you the room, how it is. Okay. So this is my room, guys. So one blanket is there. This is my laptop bag, and just one single room is there. So yeah, like I just arrived here to show you the room, how it is, and one trunk is there and hanger, and as it is, and here like this only other 3 members are sat here. These 2 people are sat here itself, one row. And hello, excuse me. Hello. Hi. I think he's okay. He's not at the block. This is the campus for us. Accommodation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ campus, guys. Yeah. ಅಲ್ಲೊಳಗೆ ಲಾಕರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಕರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್. So finally I got ready for the day one innovation, design, and entrepreneurship bootcamp. Uh, let's go and have the breakfast. Then whatever the procedures are there, no? So we need to report there. Everything will go ahead. Okay. This is my dress. So.
The faculty members and my dear students and participants. Today I am very thrilled and excited to welcome you all to this wonderful IDE boot camp which is hosting in our institution. This is a very esteemed program which is hosted by central government, Ministry of Education, AICT. This among the centers. So this program, I want to tell you about the importance of this program or about this program. This program is initiated by the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to promote the innovation and entrepreneurship in the young minds like you in the higher education sectors. So this program initiated
brainstorming. How all can I solve a particular problem? Okay? So event planner, you may have a wedding website might be there, somebody goes with the app, somebody just doesn't do anything, they just collate every. Hello. Thank you madam for the wonderful session. Of course, all the students got benefited by your talk. Now there is a
So next part is whatever I will learn and whatever the experience I will gain. No, everything I'm going to capturing over here. So if you all like this day one video, please give me a thumbs up and see you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.